Okay, so the question says a positively charged particle is moving at velocity v in an electric field as shown. So this is the picture, and we have a positive charge q, for example, and electric field direction is also given. So the question is, what is the direction of the force acting on the particle due to the electric field? So we know that electric field will always point from a positive charge to the negative charge. So to make it more easy to understand, you can think of a parallel plate arrangement in which this plate is positively charged and the upper plate is negatively charged. So, and therefore the direction of the electric field is from bottom to top. So now it should be very easy to understand. If you have a positive charge, so it will get attracted by the negative plate, and therefore the force that will act on this charge will be pointing in the upward direction. Yeah, so the answer to the question is it is up the page. Option C is correct. Now, this was one way of asking the question. I want you to be familiar with different possibilities or different combinations in which this question can be asked. So one thing is very clear. If we have, for example, a negatively charged plate and a positively charged plate, and the electric field therefore will point in this direction, if we keep a positive charge over here, then the force on this positive charge will be in the upward direction. And if there is a negative charge, say for example electron over here, then the force will be in the downward direction. Yeah. And what if we change the direction? So it should be very similar logic, but just for the sake of completing the exercise, we have, for example, positive and negative plate, and therefore the electric field intensity will point always from positive to negative plate. And again, we have a positive charge. So in this case, the positive charge will be having a force in this direction, and the negative charge will have a force in the upward direction. So remember one thing, that electric field E is always giving the force experienced by a positive charge. Therefore, the direction of force will be the same as direction of E if it is a positive charge, and it will be in the opposite direction if it is a negative charge. Yeah, so I hope it is easy to understand all the different ways in which the question can be asked.